Hello, I'm Renee, and I clean, declutter, and organize my followers' homes for free. But not today. Today I'm going to be outside power washing as a surprise. I was previously at this home decluttering the house, and you can see that here. I knew the couple wanted their driveway power washed, so I thought I'd help them out. This driveway is pretty steep. And because it's free day, I'm going to surprise another couple with a free Fleximount 4x4 adjustable garage lift storage rack. Discover the secret to a tidy garage with Fleximount garage lift storage rack. They're going to see how this simple tool can transform their space and make organizing a breeze. Their goal is to fit 2 cars in this garage. Does your garage look like a tornado hit it? No worries, it's not too late to get organized for the summer. Meet the Fleximounts Garage Lift Storage Rack, your new best friend for taming the chaos. And this will be the perfect spot. Now let's talk specs. It boasts a robust maximum load capacity of 300 pounds, making it capable of handling substantial weight without a hitch. The shelf dimensions are perfectly sized to accommodate a variety of items, ensuring that everything from seasonal decorations to sporting equipment can be stored neatly out of the way. That's like hoisting a small bear. Designed with versatility in mind, the GL1 is ideal for garages with ceiling heights up to 9 feet. It's also engineered to be compatible with multiple ceiling types. Whether your garage has concrete ceilings or wooden joists spaced at 12 inches, 16 inches, or 24 inches, the G1 can be securely installed, providing a sturdy and reliable storage solution. So if you're looking to reclaim your garage floor and simplify your storage, the FlexMounts G1 Garage Lifting Storage Rack is your go-to solution. Lift, lower, and love your new uncluttered garage space. But wait, there's more. Join Fleximount's AMA Prime Day from July 16th until July 21st, 2024. Use the code FM525005 to get G1 only for $170.99. Discover more solutions from FM and enjoy amazing prices, up to 50% off. So what are you waiting for? Get your FlexMounts G1 Garage Lifting Storage Rack today and make your garage summer ready. Trust me, you'll thank me after. Remember to use the code FM525005 to get the GL1 only for $170.99. They're transforming their garage from yikes to nice and impressing the neighbors, or at least stop losing items. Look at this, they can now fit both cars in the garage. The couple was thrilled to have the G1 garage lift to tackle the clutter. Order yours today. Now back to power washing. So why should you clean a driveway? Well, curb appeal. A clean driveway greatly enhances the overall look of your home, making it appear well-maintained and inviting. And who doesn't want to be the envy of the neighborhood? And regular power washing removes dirt, mold, mildew, and other contaminants that can cause wear and tear on the driveway surface over time. Because slipping on algae and oil is only funny in the cartoons. Maintaining a clean driveway can also boost your property's value, making it more appealing to potential buyers if you're thinking of selling. Think of it as giving your home a makeover without the Botox. Also, removing the mold and mildew helps prevent potential health issues for those with allergies or respiratory problems. You'll be able to breathe easy and enjoy the outdoors without those sneezing fits. When I'm power washing, I feel like I'm channeling my inner street sweeper. So much fun. Or it looks like I'm mowing the lawn but with water, and it's way more satisfying. When the couple got home, they were thrilled to find that their driveway had been power washed, and they knew exactly who did it. And right here is when the GoPro fell over and broke, and there is no other power washing video available. I'm so glad I could help both families. Here's before, and here's after. When was the last time you had your driveway and sidewalk power washed? Comment below. And also, don't forget to order your Garage Lift 1 with the promo code FM525005 to get your GL1 only for $170.99. Watch how I transfer this couple's home in 3 days.